The digital revolution is changing the way that organisations think about customer experience. What we're seeing at the moment is that the world's got a digital skin, driving different behaviours, so people work, live and play in a completely different way. Customer experience has become the strategic driver for most organisations, and people have got choices to make to stay relevant to their clients and look to differentiate themselves.
Several years ago, many companies still had concerns about the viability of moving critical infrastructure like contact center to the cloud. In the intervening period of time, however, there have been substantial decreases in cost, more confidence in the security capabilities of cloud offers, and more certainty in the regulatory and compliance environment. Today, what we see is organizations of all sizes recognizing that they can leverage cloud in their markets and for their unique purposes.
I think one of the key challenges is understanding aging infrastructure as well as a lack of integration. So having flexible options for clients in terms of hybrid options where you can take the best of cloud as well as enterprise solutions and really allow clients an opportunity to go with a phased approach.
Organizations that operate across geographies are looking for the flexibility that cloud offers, and they actually see that it's much easier to administer and turn up agent pools in a cloud environment than it is in trying to own and operate data centers across multiple geographies on their own.
Clients should consider cloud as an opportunity to trial specific functions and evaluate their usefulness. Cloud will allow for understanding how business benefits can be met without the risk and commitment of traditional purchasing solutions.
So for a lot of organisations, they're considering hybrid or private cloud, and public just simply may not cut it for them if they're looking to genuinely differentiate and understand and personalise with their customers.
Smaller organizations are more price sensitive and they're looking for immediate time to value and speed of turning up a system. Mid-sized companies have a more complex environment and they're looking for the continuous improvement and investment protection they get with cloud. Large organizations have, by definition, a much more complex and hybrid environment. They operate across multiple geographies, and recent research shows actually that the more complex the product suite, the more value and and return on investment that large organizations can actually achieve by moving their operations into the cloud.
In terms of the Dimension Data Customer Engagement Hub, we're able to work with our clients, take them on a journey to the cloud, or have something that's fit for purpose for them. And we can do something on-premise, making sure they leverage their current investment, or if they want to deploy something rapidly or transform their organisation completely, we can map to whichever model. And we can do that across the whole range of technologies. And we're constantly being challenged by our clients around the world and being given input in terms of a wide ecosystem, working with leading partners who've been game-changing within the space for many years.
Dimension Data's cloud solutions, in particular our Customer Engagement Hub, allows for a differentiated service. Dimension Data has taken the best omnichannel solution in the market from Genesys and coupled that with Dimension Data's infrastructure to really build a fully managed solution.
The world is transforming and customers are leading that change and they're changing their behaviours. Organisations need to match and meet those needs and requirements customers are offering. Dimension Data and Genesys have been committed to understanding how people interact, giving people choices, making things easy, and really it's that market-leading experience that's been built up. And what we now think about is, how do we do that more productively? How do we help organisations achieve that faster? How do we help them transform quicker? And how can we bring them new capabilities that create amazing customer experience which differentiates their business in the marketplace?